Hello everyone, I am Prahar Jain and in this video we are going to talk about laziness in kids. In our last video, we have discussed about behavioral changes among kids in post-COVID and child psychology. If you want to watch that video, the link is given in description box or you can click on I button and watch that video. We have Dr. Vaishali ma'am with us to discuss about laziness in kids. So let's get started. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Good, Praher. How are you doing?
I am also fine, ma'am. Ma'am, after opening of lockdown, many kids are facing laziness problem. So I want to discuss this topic with you.
Okay, yes, Praher. I too am seeing a lot of cases where laziness has come down, which is also called as boredom.
Yes.
So this is happening because we were in closed doors for almost 2 years, and humans being social animals, meaning what ki we love to go out,
Yes.
we love all this recreation, excitement, वो सारा जो है वो
Now everything
closed.
is closed. Yes.
Yeah. So what is happening because of that? We are into that same four doors, वही walls में हम बैठ रहे और वही है online आप देख रहे होंगे online classes है और फिर just बैठे बैठे घर में कुछ ना कुछ करना है. That is why what is happening now, before when the lockdown just started, that time people were feeling restless क्योंकि
Yes.
बाहर नहीं जा सकते. But any pattern in a human system, when you start using it or you go into that phase, it starts becoming a pattern on its own.
Yes.
तो वही फिर आप after भी follow करते हो. Then again to create something new, you have to break that previous thing.
Yes.
तो similarly पहले आप restless थे, जब कोविड स्टार्ट हुआ था तो घर में कैसे बैठे और अब जब 2 साल हम घर में बैठे तो हमको लग रहा है बाहर कैसे जाए, किसी को लो कॉन्फिडेंस भी आ रहा है, पीपल डोंट वांट टू गो आउट. सो इट्स नॉट ओनली विथ यू किड्स बट एवरीवन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस. एवरीवन वांट्स टू बी इन दैट कंफर्ट जोन, क्योंकि इधर उधर घूमना, कपड़े भी ठीक से नहीं रहे तो भी चलेगा क्योंकि बाहर जाना है तो आपको ठीक ठाक रहना पड़ेगा एंड प्रेजेंटेबल होना पड़ेगा. तो काफ़ी सारे नॉर्म्स है, टाइम स्केड्यूल है, यू हैव टू गो. Right now what is happening, y'all were just sleeping anytime, getting up anytime, having breakfast. कभी breakfast भी नहीं खा लिया, online class चल रहा है उसको attend करो, ऐसे हो रहा था. तो कोई pattern नहीं था, कोई plan नहीं था, तो time management नहीं था. तो इसीलिए ये laziness तो आना ही आना है. But I think उसके लिए हम workout करेंगे तो वो हो जाएगा.
Yes. So how can we tackle with this problem?
Yeah, so there are many ways how we can tackle is, अभी तो only some schools have started. There are
Yes.
still ना, I think so.
Yes.
है ना, सब schools नहीं
There are
start
two
हुए हैं.
options. We can attend school online and we can go
Okay.
to school.
Yeah, so you can either be at home or attend.
Yes.
So then again there is a problem in this because एक norm बना है, एक rule जब हम बनाते हैं किसी चीज़ के लिए, then you need to follow. So automatically that boredom would have gone. But now we have been given 2 options. तो क्या होता है जब options मिलते हैं ना लाइफ में तो थोड़ा सा हम स्पॉइल भी हो सकते हैं कि
Yes.
ये करूँ या वो करूँ या कुछ नहीं करूँ.
And I think 50% of children are not going school, they are attending online.
हाँ, so that is again another thing because you all are attending online, not going to school, or I think once in a while you are allowed to go, whatever might be the reason. You have the option of staying at home, therefore the laziness, the boredom is going to stay.
Yes.
क्योंकि वो proper schedule नहीं है आपका. तो because there is no proper schedule, what is happening is you are not getting up on time, you are not sitting for the class on time, lunch is not happening on time, you are not sleeping on time. So because of this haywire schedule of the kids today, your pattern has changed. तो नींद भी नहीं आ रही है, फिर नींद नहीं आ रही, लेट सो रहे हो तो सुबह उठ नहीं पा रहे हो.
Yes.
फिर मैंने बहुत सारे किड्स को पेरेंट्स का कंप्लेन करते हुए देखा है कि they are just they get up like that only and they sit online for the class.
Yes.
because नहाते नहीं हैं, ब्रश भी नहीं करते हैं बच्चे और वैसे ही बैठ जाते हैं. खाना पीना वहाँ से मम्मी चिल्ला रही है कि बाबा ब्रेकफास्ट करो, पर यहाँ पे ऑनलाइन का टाइम हो गया है. तो वी नीड टू स्पेशली आई थिंक पेरेंट्स शुड टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी और एक टाइम स्केड्यूल बनाइए ताकि यू हैव सर्टन टाइम ऑफ गेटिंग अप,
Yes.
having breakfast, going for that online, not going but sitting for the online class.
The energy is not also good when we do not bath and attend online classes.
Yes, wow, that is so nice to hear from kids like you. Yes, the energy is of laziness, and therefore we need to break this laziness and have lots of energy in us. So how will we have energy? You need to have a bath on a daily basis. So when you have a bath, you will feel good. So after having a bath, the online classes also will not be, I think, that boring, because I have heard many times कि kids जो हैं online class तो चालू है, but they are on the website or they are on other apps and they are doing certain things when the video is off.
Yes,
so
they are
I
playing
think
games.
yeah,
Yes.
so again the parents have a major role to play here, that you make a schedule with the kid ki, you know, when to get up, what time to eat, what time to sleep. Along with that, most of the times try to be with your kid, see what exactly he is doing online. Class चल रहा है, तो whether he is playing games or he is searching on other website, which websites these kids are looking for. So we need to really keep a tap on them, and हमको भी समझना चाहिए as parents कि their childhood is going for a loss, because this is their crucial time where they want to enjoy life along with their studies, but there is no enjoyment left, है ना, because parents बाहर लेके जाते थे बच्चों को, but अभी that is also not happening. So make a schedule, have a proper time management, sit with the kids, give them lots of care and love. You need to tell the kids ki okay, I'm there for you. And I think when the kid is online, just don't neglect the kid. Sit with the kid and see what he is doing. या तो अगर मतलब सिर्फ खेल चल रहा है या कोई दूसरी वेबसाइट अगर बच्चा देख रहा है, तो डोंट बी हार्श ऑन द किड, बिकॉज यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड बीइंग इन द किड्स शूज़ कि हाउ द किड इज़ फीलिंग. So you can sit with the kid and go for some gaming website where you know easily जो छोटे मोटे गेम्स है वो आप खेल सकते हो as kids, ना कि वो बड़े वाले गेम्स. और दूसरी बात है, कोई क्रिएटिव वेबसाइट पे चले जाना जहाँ पे बहुत सारी क्रिएटिव चीज़ें आप सीख सकते हो. So parents can sit along with them, find when they are browsing all these sites, and you know, if you feel especially for the parents, if you feel that the kid is getting closed down, not talking to you, you have to be aware of your kid कि you know why is he not talking, why is he feeling sad. सैड होगा तो ठीक है, एक लेजीनेस भी एक रीज़न है, पर फिर वो डिप्रेशन में ना स्लिप हो जाए, क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत सारे किड्स ऐसे हैं जो डिप्रेशन मोड में चले जा रहे हैं, बिकॉज देयर इज़ नो वन टू टॉक. The parents are not discussing. Yoga, physical exercises. So you all should do, if you in your society, if you have garden, please
we can play games like football, cricket.
Very nice. Outdoor games is a must. तो yes, आप play कर सकते हो. तो अगेन उसका एक टाइम स्केड्यूल बनाओ कि इवनिंग में आपको आउटडोर गेम्स खेलना है, तो सब बच्चे सोसाइटी के आ सकते हैं साथ में. यू ऑल कैन प्ले ऑल्सो, यू ऑल विल ऑल्सो हैव अ गुड टाइम. आई थिंक द पेरेंट्स को भी थोड़ा सा रिलैक्सेशन मिलेगा, क्योंकि बच्चा दिन भर आपके पीछे है, तो दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड इनफ.
यस.
एनीथिंग एल्स दैट यू ऑल गो थ्रू, इफ यू हैव एनीथिंग टू आस्क?
No ma'am, thank you for your precious time. This tips and this video will be very helpful for all the parents and kids. Thank you.
Thank you Praher, thank you so much. I would request the parents also to watch these clips and utilize this for the kids. Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you Praher.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any question or queries related child psychology, you can join our Telegram group now. You can type your question there and get your answer. Do subscribe to our channel, and you can also join our Facebook group. The link is given below in description box. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.